Alrighty here. So here's my first picture. And I'm going to go to the top here. Alright, so we got here Michael the angel. This is his ear right here. His eye, his nose, his mustache, his upper lip, lower lip, beard, under the chin, to the throat, down to the chest. That's his neck, the back of the head, the top of the head, and the insignia on his helmet. Okay, I'm going to go over here now, move down a little bit. I'm going to prove right away the Quran is wrong. So here's the dragon, and here's the serpent. Okay, now this is found in the book of Revelation, Revelation 20. Okay, and there it clearly states, "Then I saw an angel coming down out of heaven, holding the key to the bottomless pit and a great chain. He laid hold of the dragon, the ancient serpent, and bound him for 1,000 years, and set a seal up on it, so he shall not deceive the nation no more, till 1,000 years should be fulfilled. And after that he must be loose for a little while." Alright, so that is in the Bible, and that is Revelation 20. Right there. Alright. Okay, so that is the first part of my Bible. Okay, the next picture, which I'm just going to shove over here. You can clearly see the dragon here, the serpent right here, 1 angel, 2 angel, 3 angel, 4 angel, and right here is Adam and Eve. So you have Revelation at the 12 o'clock position, and you have Genesis down at 6 o'clock position. And right here is the tree of life. Okay? And I'll show you that a little further as we go into the pictures here a little further. Okay, next pic. Here's 1 angel, 2 angel, 3 angel, 4 angel, the dragon, the serpent, Michael. The tree of life, the trunk, the head of the cherubim, and the flaming sword. Okay, we'll go to the next pic. Same thing, trunk of the tree, flaming sword, cherubim, 1 angel, 2 angel, 3 angel, 4 angel, the dragon, the serpent, Michael. Notice houses, trees. Oh my Bible is up in the sky. Next shot. This is just before they were thrown into the abyss, which is over here. And go over here. Here's Adam and Eve, the serpent, houses. The 4 angels at the 4 corners of the earth, and the tree of life would be roughly right about here. Okay, so next shot, we have the ark from Noah and the ark. This is Noah. Here's the tree of life right here. The flaming sword is right here. The cherubim is right here. Now, all I'm going to do with this picture is rotate it so you can see. Rotation. 1, 2. So, there you have the tree of life, the flaming sword, the cherubim. Okay? That is the book of Genesis. And then when you rotate it like a wheel, you have Revelation and part of the beginning of the Bible. Okay, go a little further over. So here you have Noah, the tree, the cherubim, the flaming sword, Adam and Eve, and the serpent. Okay, here's a better shot of the ark, Noah, the tree, the cherubim, the flaming sword, the dragon, the serpent. The bottomless pit is right here. Ironic, eh? So you got the four angels, Adam and Eve and Lucifer. Okay, just go a little further over here. So you have Adam and Eve, the tree of life in an earlier stage, the cherubim, the flaming sword. I'm just going to rotate this now. So here you have the tree of life, the flaming sword, the cherubim, the face of good and evil. Okay, Adam and Eve are right here. They haven't been formed yet. Okay, this is the high council of all the angels and cherubims. And as you can see, here's Noah. The ark is over here. The tree of life is right here. Okay, so again, as I say, talk is cheap. All right, so as you can see, they're all pictures, and they're all pictures of the sky. Okay, so right there, I can prove the Quran is wrong. Okay, so don't even play with me. That's a dead issue, dead discussion. All right, no if, no ands, no buts. All right, that's the end of that segment. I'll be right back.